Transform your kitchen from this to this. Simple and easy. Building with Papa. Okay, we're going to renovate this kitchen, putting in all new cabinets, and we're going to move this refrigerator into where this pantry is. We're going to have to open up the walls so that we can get the refrigerator to fit. So right now we're removing the existing cabinets. This is where you get to find whatever issues are going to arise to install all the new cabinets. So far everything is not bad, except the one problem is they don't have any existing tile or the tile that's on the floor now. So I'm having to mud in the lower areas so that the cabinets will sit properly. All right, so once we've mudded all that, now we start to install the cabinets. I installed the pantry first and the corner cabinet, then the other cabinets alongside the corner cabinet, so that I know exactly where my spacing will be, and I'll have to make my fillers for each of those spots. It's coming out nice. You know, the walls are out, going one way or the other. It's a little tricky, but it's not bad. I put some ledgers on the wall for the top cabinets to sit on. Makes it easier when you're installing them. Then I'm trying to work out everything for this stove and to find out how these drawers are going to be able to open without hitting the other handles. And it laid out pretty nice. Now we ordered the countertop. The fabricator is due out today to make the template. Okay, now they've brought the stone and we're starting to lay it out. And these are the areas that we have some concern because these walls are in and out. It's a little rough, but this guy's a very good installer. I think this kitchen turned out very nice. Now it's functional. It was very difficult to function in the kitchen the way it was before, but I think this one really turned out nice. So like, subscribe, and ring that bell, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. All right, building with Papa. See you on the next one. Have a great day.